Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Corolla interior lights. First, let's gather our tools. You'll typically need a plastic trim tool to prevent scratches and a small flathead screwdriver. It's crucial to have the correct replacement bulb. For instance, many dome lights use a DE3175 bulb. Many owners choose to upgrade to LED bulbs, which offer a brighter, cleaner light and are more energy efficient than traditional incandescent bulbs. Now let's access the bulb. Begin by carefully inserting your plastic trim tool or a small flathead screwdriver into a notch or edge of the light's translucent cover. Gently pry it open, working around the edges to release the clips. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Some interior lights, like map lights, might require you to gently pull down the entire housing from the headliner after releasing its clips. With the cover or housing removed, you can now access the old bulb. If the light has been on, the bulb might be hot, so consider using gloves. Carefully pull the old incandescent bulb straight out of its socket. Then, take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. If you're installing an LED bulb, it's a good idea to test it by turning on the light before reassembly, as LEDs have a specific polarity and might need to be flipped if they don't light up initially. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the lens cover or the entire light housing with its corresponding clips and slots. Gently push it back into place until you hear or feel the clips engage, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Once reassembled, turn on your vehicle's interior lights to confirm that the new bulb is working correctly. You should now enjoy a brighter, refreshed interior lighting experience in your Toyota Corolla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.